Hello students, good morning all of you. Welcome to Diamond Group of Institutions online classes. Myself Mohammad Silar, senior faculty in physics. Today we are going to discuss a chapter magnetism and matter. And the weightage of this chapter is 7 marks. As you know already, matter, okay, matter now the question is raised, what is matter? Okay, anything that occupies space and has a mass is called as matter. For example, pen is occupies some space and it has a mass, that's why it is called as pen is a matter. For example, table is occupies some space and has a mass, then table is called as matter. Bench, buildings, car, trees, everything, human body is also called as matter. This matter is made up of a molecules. Matter is made up of a molecules, and the molecules is made up of a atoms. These molecules made up of a atoms, and atoms is made up of a basic particles. Okay, the basic particles are, as you know already, okay, protons, electrons and neutrons. Protons has positively charged particles, electrons are negatively charged particles, and neutrons has uncharged, In first chapter, electric charges we discussed already. Okay, positive charges, if the same charges are called as like charges. If the charges is like charges, means they repulse each other. Positive charge we called as a like charges and they are repulse each other. And one is positive charge, another one is negative charge. Such types of charges are called as a unlike charges. Such types of charges are called as unlike charges, and unlike charges are attract each other. This one is repulse and this one is attract. Positive charge, like charge, repulse each other. Positive and negative charge is called as unlike charge and they are attract each other. Magnetism. In the year of 600 BC, okay, iron ore is found in a place Magnesia in Greece. In this case, ore, imagine this one is a ore, magnetics are substance. We are taking a small piece of iron, When small piece of iron is moved towards the ore, small piece of iron is moved towards the ore, this ore attract the small piece of iron. When they are moving means the ore will be attracted. The phenomena of attraction of small piece of iron towards the ore, that phenomena is called as magnetism. This ore showing this property was called as a magnet. The ore showing this property was called as a magnet. Okay. In the nature, there are two types of magnet. One is natural magnet, another one is called as artificial magnets. We are writing here. There are two types of magnet. There are two types of magnet. The first one is called as natural magnet, and the second one is called as artificial magnet. Nature, two types of magnet: natural magnet, artificial magnet. Natural, okay, natural means the God made things are called as natural things. For example, air is the natural, earth is the natural, okay. Artificial means man made things are called as artificial things. For example, table is made by the man, it is called as artificial. Pen is made by the man, it is called as artificial, okay. Man made things are artificial things, God made things are natural. Natural magnets are weak. These magnets are weak and have irregular shape Artificial magnets are strong. And desired shape. Examples of artificial magnets are, okay, bar magnet and magnetic needle. In our daily life, magnet and magnetic materials we are using, okay. So many magnetic materials we are using. For example, headphones. In headphones, magnetic material is present. ATM cards. In ATM cards, magnetic material is present.
Next topic is properties of a bar magnet. Just we discuss two types of bar magnets, artificial and natural. Most commonly used a artificial magnet is bar magnet, and the shape of the bar magnet is cylindrical or rectangle shape. In this case, the first one property of bar magnet is a magnet has two poles. One is north pole, another one is south pole. For example, look this side. This is a one magnet. In this magnet, there are two poles. One is north pole and another one is south pole. Okay. Every magnet has two poles, north pole and south pole. Second property, like poles are repulse each other and unlike poles are attract each other. Just we said before this class or before just positive charges are called as like charges and they are repulsed, and positive negative are unlike charges, they are attract. The same condition is here. Like poles are repulse each other, unlike poles are attract each other. For example, this is the one magnet. It has the two poles, north pole and south pole. And we are taking another magnet. It has the two poles. Okay, north pole and south pole. Okay, this one is north south pole. This one is north pole. Okay, they are opposite poles. Opposite poles means they are attract each other. Opposite poles means they are attract each other. Again, we are taking the two magnets. One is north, south. Again, one is south and north. Okay. In this case, the same poles. South poles are called as same poles. Same poles means it is called as like poles. Like poles means they are repulse each other. They repulse each other. Okay. Same poles means repulsion. Okay, opposite poles means attraction. Next property, the poles of a magnet can never be separated. Poles of a magnet can never be separated. For example, we are taking a one magnet. Okay, this is a one magnet. It has north pole and south pole. we are taking a one magnet, it has two poles. If the magnet is cut from the center, we are cutting this magnet. Okay, we are cutting this magnet from the center, then the two pieces will be formed. Then two pieces will be formed. But each piece of a magnet has the two poles. One is north to south and again north to south. If magnet is cutting from the center, for example, this is a pen. Pen is the thing, bar magnet. This side is north pole and this side is south pole. If you are cutting from the center, then two pieces will be formed. But each piece of the magnet has a two poles. Each piece of the magnet has a two poles. Again, if you are cutting in these two pieces means four pieces. Again, the four piece means each piece has a two poles. The monopole does not exist in the nature. मैग्नेट में सिंगल पोल्स नहीं रहता. हम कितना भी कट करेंगे मैग्नेट्स को, उसमें कितना पोल्स रहता है? कंपल्सरी टू पोल्स रहता. ओनली नॉर्थ पोल, ओनली साउथ पोल, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. Okay, that's why we're writing monopole does not exist in a nature. The next property, okay, attractive property. We are taking a one magnet. Okay, we are taking a one magnet and we are taking a magnetic substance. What are the magnetic substances? Iron, steel, cobalt, nickel. These are the magnetic substances. We are taking a magnetic substance. For example, piece of iron. Okay, piece of iron. When the piece of iron is moved towards the magnet, piece of iron when moved towards the magnet, this magnet is attract the piece of iron. This means that magnet has a attractive property. The next one, directive property. Next property is directive. In this case, we are taking a one magnet, north pole, south pole. Okay, this magnet is suspended. Okay, from a fixed point. This one is called as think fixed point. We are taking a one magnet and the magnet is suspended from a fixed point. Now, this magnet will be moved. This magnet is moved and it will move and come to the rest. Finally, it come to the rest. Okay, when the magnet is come to at rest, okay, then this south pole of the magnet is always directed towards the geographical south, and the north pole of the magnet is always directed to the geographical north. For example, this one side is called as think, this one is east side, this one is west one, and this side is called as south, and this one is called as north. Okay, when magnet is suspended, it is moved and come to the rest. Okay, south pole of the magnet is directed to the geographical south and north pole of the magnet is directed to the geographical north. The next property of bar magnet is magnetic length, magnetic axis. Magnetic axis. Next property. In this property, we are taking a one magnet. This one is north pole and this one is south pole. The line joining from north pole to south pole, that line is called as magnetic axis. Okay, line joining from north pole to south pole, this line is called as magnetic axis. The next property is magnetic length. Magnetic length. It is denoted by 2L. Magnetic length, it is denoted by 2L. Okay, again we are taking a one magnet. This is the magnet. This one is north pole, this one is south pole. The length of the magnet is called as, that length of the magnet is called as geometric length. Geometric length. Or total length of the magnet is called as geometric length. Total length of the magnet is geometrical length. These poles of a magnet are not exactly at the end. ये जो poles है वो poles exactly end पर नहीं रहता, some distance रहता. Okay, the distance between north pole and south pole of a magnet, that distance is called as magnetic length. This distance is called as magnetic length. Geometric length is different, magnetic length is different. Okay, total length of the magnet is geometric length. Okay, poles are not exactly at the end, and the shortest distance between north pole and south pole, that distance is called as magnetic length. And magnetic length is slightly lesser than the geometric length. Okay, then next property of a magnet is inductive property. Inductive property. We are taking a one magnet, north pole, south pole, and we are taking a one magnetic material. Okay, for example, coin. When magnet is kept closer to the coin, we are not touching. For example, this is the magnet and this is the coin. Think, imagine, when it is brought closer to the magnet, okay, just हम उसको nearest में लेके जाके place कर रहे हैं. Then when we are placing to the nearest, then unlike poles are developed at the nearer side and like poles are induced at the further side. This phenomena, developing a poles inside the material, that property is called as inductive property. Magnetic field. Okay, what is magnetic field? The space surrounding a magnet in which magnetic effect is felt. Okay, then electric charge. If the charge is means the charge is surrounding by the electric field. If there is a one magnet, then magnet is surrounding by the magnetic field. Okay, in magnetic field there are two types: uniform magnetic field and next one is called as non-uniform magnetic field. Uniform magnetic field, what is the definition? It has the same strength of field and same direction. Same strength of field and same direction at the all point in the region. For example, we are taking a one small region. Look this side. Magnetic field. Magnetic field is measured in Tesla. Okay. For example, in this region there are number of points are present. Then at this point the magnetic field is 5 Tesla. At this point the magnetic field is 5 Tesla. At this point the magnetic field is 5 Tesla, 5 Tesla. Okay. All the point has the same strength of field and same direction. Then such types of regions or such types of fields are called as uniform magnetic field. Then next one, non-uniform magnetic field. Okay, non-uniform magnetic field means if it is has a different strength of field. Okay, different strength of field at different points in the region. Again we are taking a one region. Think, At this point, the magnetic field is 5 Tesla. At this point, the magnetic field is 10 Tesla. At this point, magnetic field is 9 Tesla. Okay, 7 Tesla. Okay, 6 Tesla. For example, okay, 8 Tesla. Okay, if it has the different strength of field at different point in the region is called as non-uniform magnetic field. Okay, then next, okay, magnetic field line. Next one is magnetic field line. It is very important topic, most important concept we are going to discuss. Magnetic field lines and properties of magnetic field. In the first chapter, electric charges, we discussed the electric field lines. Okay, electric field lines, and now we are discussing a magnetic field line. What is electric field lines? In first chapter, we discussed. It is the path along which the unit positive charge would move. For example, this is the charge. For example, positive charge. This charge is placed in a uniform or electric field. We are taking a one charge. The charge is placed in a electric field. Okay. Then, due to this electric field, the positive charge would move. Okay. Or one more definition is there. Electric field intensity in first chapter. Electric field intensity equals to, that formula is called as E is equals to F by Q. Okay. If we are taking the Q is this side, then we can write F is equals to Q into E. Okay. What is F? Force. What is Q? Charge. What is E? Electric field. This means that force experienced by the charge, okay, due to electric field. चार्ज के ऊपर फोर्स है, किसका वजह से फोर्स है? ड्यू टू इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. ओके, एंड द पाथ अलोंग विच दिस चार्ज इज मूविंग, दैट इज पाथ इज कॉल्ड एज इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन. वी डिस्कस, बट आवर टॉपिक इज मैग्नेटिक फील्ड लाइन. ओके, द सेम प्रोसीजर we are writing. We are taking a one magnet. Okay, one is north pole, another one is south pole. Think, this magnet is placed in a uniform magnetic field. Okay, these are the magnetic field lines. When charge is placed in electric field, it will experience a force. When the poles are placed in a magnetic field, it will experience a force. What is the magnetic force? Then we can write electric force means F is equals to QE. Magnetic force means F equals to Q into B. Force experienced by the charge due to magnetic field. Due to this force, the north pole of a magnet would move. North pole of a magnet moves. The path along which north pole of a magnet is moved, that path is called as magnetic field line. That is the definition. It is the imaginary line. Okay, the path along which north pole of the magnet would move. North pole of the magnet would move. Okay, that path is called as magnetic field line. Very, very important topic. 3 mark question. Number of times asked in the examination. Okay, properties of magnetic field line. In this case, as you know, this is a magnet. Think, this one is a magnet. This one is called as north pole of the magnet. This one is called as south pole of the magnet. Properties of magnet. In first property, magnetic field lines are imaginary lines. We just said the same one, because we cannot see by our eyes. एक मैग्नेट है, मैग्नेट के सराउंडिंग में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड है बोल के हम जस्ट थिंक करते हैं, उसको हम नहीं देख सकते. देन दैट्स व्हाई द फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी इज कॉल्ड एज दे आर इमेजिनरी लाइंस. They are imaginary lines. They are imaginary lines. Second point, they are they are closed continuous loop. They are closed continuous loop. The magnetic field lines are closed continuous, means this is the this one, okay, this one and this one. They are closed continuous loop. Magnetic field lines are closed continuous loop. Okay, then next one, third property, outside the magnet. Outside the magnet, its direction from north pole to south pole, means outside the magnet the direction of magnetic field lines are north pole to south pole. They are moving like north pole to south pole. We are writing here, outside the magnet, its direction n pole to s pole. Okay, then next, fourth point, inside the magnet. First we discussed the outside the magnet. Outside the magnet, its direction from north pole to south pole. Inside the magnet, its direction from south pole to north pole. Inside the magnet. Okay, we are writing inside the magnet, its direction from s pole to n pole. Fifth point, magnetic field lines are never cross each other. The fifth one, they never cross each other. Okay, the magnetic field lines are never cross each other. Okay, magnetic field lines एक दूसरे को क्रॉस नहीं कर रहे, because each point of a magnetic field has a unique direction, means single direction. एक point है मतलब single एक ही direction है. The two directions at a point is not possible. Pole strength, okay, pole strength is denoted by a small m. Its symbol is small m. Pole strength denoted by small m. For example, we are taking a one magnet. Okay, this one is called as north pole and this one is called as south pole. Just we discussed, again we are discussing. Okay, north pole and south pole, and again we are taking a another one magnet. Okay, south pole and north pole. If these two magnets are brought closer, okay, हमें दोनों magnets को nearest में लेके आना, then north south pole, same pole, the same poles are repulse each other. Okay, when the two magnets are brought closer, means they are repulsed. Okay, they are repulsed. Again, if we are taking the two magnets, north pole, south pole and north pole, south pole, when these two magnets are brought closer, okay, one pole is south, another one pole is north, opposite poles means they are attract each other. Okay, the ability of a pole to repel or attract another poles of a magnet, that ability of a pole is called as pole strength. It is denoted by m. Ability of a pole to attract or repulse another pole of a magnet is called as pole strength. And SI unit of pole strength. SI unit of pole strength is ampere meter. Dimensional formula of pole strength is AL. This pole strength it is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Pole strength of north pole is plus m. Pole strength of south pole is minus m. Okay. Next topic is magnetic dipole. In first chapter, we discussed the electric dipole. Okay. What is electric dipole? Okay. A system of two charges, two equal and opposite charges separated by a small distance. For example, two charges Q, Q. Both are equal charges. Okay. Opposite sign. One is positive, another one is negative. Separated by a small distance means that is called as dipole. This is called as electric dipole. Electric dipole. But we are discussing about magnetic dipole. Okay. In this case, we are taking the pole strength of one is plus m, another one is minus m. Okay. Two equal and opposite pole strength and separated by a small distance, okay, is called as magnetic dipole. Definition is given. It consists of two equal and opposite. Equal means m, m. Opposite, one is positive, another one is negative. Separated by a small distance, that is the 2l, is called magnetic dipole. Okay. The next one, magnetic dipole moment. Magnetic dipole moment, next one, denoted by capital M. Magnetic dipole moment is denoted by capital M. The formula of magnetic dipole moment is M equals to small m into 2l. What is m? M means it is called as pole strength. Okay. M means pole strength. 2l. What is 2l? Magnetic length. Okay. Then SI unit of this one. What is the SI unit of? Okay. SI unit of pole strength is ampere meter. Okay. SI unit of magnetic length is meter. Ampere, meter, meter. Then we can write ampere meter square. SI unit of magnetic dipole moment is ampere meter square. Then next one, dimensional formula. What is the dimensional formula? Okay. Dimensional formula of pole strength AL. Dimensional formula of pole strength is AL. And the dimensional formula of magnetic length is length dimension formula is L. We are writing L. Okay. Then ALL means AL square. That is the dimensional formula of magnetic dipole moment. We are writing magnetic dipole moment dimensional formula is AL square. Next, this one is called as it is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity. And its direction from south S pole to S pole to N pole. Its direction from south pole to north pole. For example, this is a one magnet. Okay, this one is called as north pole and this one is called as south pole. Okay, the direction of magnetic dipole moment is from south pole to north pole. This direction, this arrow indicates the direction and it is denoted by magnetic dipole moment is capital M. Okay. Today we discussed the magnet and properties of magnet, magnetic field and properties of magnetic field. After that, we discussed the pole strength, magnetic dipole, and magnetic dipole moment. It is the very important topic. And tomorrow, most important topic, number of times examination came, that name of the topic is bar magnet as an equivalent solenoid. And one more topic is there, dipole is placed in a uniform magnetic field. We will continue in the next class.